this is a long movie. It's a scary one. And this is scary. Baby Doggy watched that movie before. And who wasn't too good. And I watched that movie before, and I wasn't scared. So you must watch it.
I must.
Not scary anymore. And just make a believe telling. You just can make up and you wish come and you wish you have a extra but extra movie and extra movie and Baby Doggy did it will have an extra movie, an extra book, and an extra flashlight, and her cousin have a llama queen one. Baby Doggy got so many cousins. Firebiter, Firebiter is in 4th grade too. This like extra but Dexter.
And who's extra but extra?
He's in a movie.
Oh.
He's not. He's a good robot. And there's some bad robots in extra but Dexter movies.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so this is scary. And the extra but Dexter is a Halloween movie.
It is?
Yes, I'm sure. And this makeup believe talent.
Make up what?
Makeup believe talent. Do you know what that means? That means stories are scary.
Oh.
If they're scary or not, if this happens, Baby Doggy got those who got extra protector blankets. And her house, and ghosts goes into Baby Doggy's house and sneak around his Baby Doggy's house and find flashlights.
Oh.
So they can steal Baby Doggy. And they did find Baby Doggy, and Mommy Doggy got a huge wheel sword and catch the ghosts to their haunted house. This is a funny movie.
It is a funny movie.
This Halloween silly movie. And this is a scary one.